Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to one of our latest video tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to deploy the writing test in Blackboard. Alright, so here are the tasks we're going to cover in the video tutorial. How to upload the test or zip file to your Blackboard section. Each teacher will get an email for their section to upload a certain test version. So you need to be very careful when you do this. And then you will learn how to build and deploy the writing test in Blackboard. And then you're going to look at how to set up the writing test options on Blackboard. And those test options specifics will be given to you in your email for that specific section and version. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in into your section as normal. All right, so you're in your section, then you're going to click on import package under packages and utilities. Click here, and then you're going to click on import package. And what you're going to do is you're going to import the zip file that's going to be sent to you to your email. All right, 1 second. Okay, it's going to look like this. All right, you click on import, then you're going to click on select the package. So you browse to the local file where you downloaded the file. All right, just give me a second. Yeah, so there you go. I found the file. Let's say example, if you're teaching English 101 or 102 or so on, the test version. Okay, then you're going to click on select all, scroll down, and then make sure it's all checked and click submit. Alright, it might take a minute, so be patient. Wait for it to complete. Alright, as it's saying it's running, then it should show that it's going to be complete. Once it's completed, there you go. As you can see, now you go to course tools on the left side, course tools. Go to test surveys and pools. Click on tests. Alright, you should be able to see the exam here. Alright, I already did this before, so ignore the first one. So you'll find one English 101 writing exam A, or English 1 writing exam 2, or version 2, version 3, whatever. So you're going to do that. Once that's complete, now we need to deploy it. So make sure you look at it and the date. So you go to الاختبارات, click on assessment, and then click on test. Alright, you're going to select the writing exam that you imported. Alright, and then click submit. Alright, there you go. So for example, here's the English 101 writing exam. Make sure that it is the same name format that's in your zip file. Alright, the version. Alright, you should see that there are test instructions already there. Okay, so make sure that under test instructions you can see this, it's in Arabic. Alright, scroll down. Now you need to be very careful and need to follow the instructions, okay? That's going to be sent to you with the test options, okay? So here you're going to make the exam or the test available to students. Click yes. Alright, make sure add a new announcement is no. Make sure you do not check multiple attempts. Leave it empty, okay? Leave forced completion empty, okay? But you do need to check or tick the set timer. Make sure it says 60 minutes. Alright, so again, let me make sure so you can see it. Make available to students, yes. Add a new announcement, no. Make sure these options are unchecked. Force completion is unchecked, but do check the set timer, 60 minutes. Select on, okay, because this automatically saves the test for the students when the exam expires. Alright, so now you're going to display after. You're going to click here. You're going to select the date, which is going to be April 16th. Now, according to the email that you're going to be sent with the exam timing, for that version. So it might be 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock or so on. So make sure, let's say for example, if you're going to have an 8 o'clock class, make sure it's AM and not PM, or whatever exam option that's given to you. This is not it. You'll get an email with the timing of your version, and you'll have a specific password that you'll have to enter. Okay, it'll be a 4-digit password. Again, this information will be sent to you on before the exam. So let's say for example, if it was it'll be a 4-digit option, for example, and then here where it says restrict location, make sure you click on this one in Arabic. All right, make sure you do that. Okay, and then scroll down. Make sure these no due date is needed. Make sure this is checked. Include this test in grade center score calculations. All right. Next one, hide results. No, leave that blank. All right. Next one, which says show test results and feedback to students. What you want to do is uncheck this score per question. Uncheck it. Select down and select choose. All right. And then make sure test presentation all at once, and then you're going to click submit. But before you submit, just make sure again we have all the settings done correctly. All right, so you're going to have the writing exam according to what's going to be sent to you by email. The test instructions are there. All right, open test in any window, leave it as no. Make sure you click on show instructions to students before they begin the test. You can do that. All right, no problem. Make sure available to students. Add a new announcement. No. Set timer. Yes. 60 minutes. On. Display time is going to be April 16th according to the time that it's going to be sent to you, and the password that's going to be sent to you. Make sure you select the restrict location. All right, and make sure this is checked. Include this test in grade center. Make sure that this is unchecked, and click on choose all at once, and then click submit. All right, it takes a minute, so be patient. All right, there you go. You should see under Al-Ikhtibarat, English 101 or English 102 writing exam, version A, version B, C, or so on. As you can see, the item is hidden from students until that specific time. That's what it should look like, okay? And then you should be all set. All right, so thank you for watching this video tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send a message to the e-learning unit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.